Welcome back to the Craftsy Trinkets channel. How our parents always love us. The late afternoon sun in Saigon cast a golden glow as Sarah and Mia sat perched on a stone bench in the park, sipping bubble tea and chatting animatedly. Hey Mia, I've been thinking a lot about our parents lately. Sarah began, gently stirring her bubble tea. Mia raised an eyebrow. Oh, what about? Are you trying to ask for money for new clothes again? Sarah burst out laughing. No way, not that. I've been thinking about how much they love us. Like the older I get, the more I realize how much they care. Mia nodded, her gaze distant. Yeah, I agree. Like my mum, she used to nag me so much about studying and eating. Sometimes it felt so annoying. But now that I think back, it's clear she worried about every little thing. The other day, when I had a viral fever, she stayed up all night applying cold compresses and feeding me porridge. It broke my heart to see how tired she was. Sarah added, Exactly. My dad's the same. When I was little, I thought he was strict and quiet, so he didn't love me as much as Mom. But now I see him quietly doing so many things for the family. Like my wardrobe was broken, and he painstakingly fixed it from morning till evening. And when my room's air conditioner wasn't working, he didn't say anything, just secretly bought a new one and installed it over the weekend. That's just how he is. He loves his kids, but rarely shows it with words. Mia sighed. Our parents each have their own way of showing love, don't they? I remember once coming home late from school. It was pouring rain, and my dad rode nearly 10 kilometers to bring me a raincoat and sandals because he was worried I'd get cold. By the time he got there, he was soaked, but all he cared about was me not catching a cold. And my mom just loves to stuff me with food. Sarah chuckled. No matter how much I say I'm full, she'll always say, eat a little more so you have energy to study and work. And it has to be my favorite dishes too. Like, she remembers all my favorite foods. Whenever I come back from a trip, there's always my go-to dish waiting. Mia laughed. Just like my mom, when I come home late from work, she's like a night owl, constantly asking, why are you home so late, dear? Have you eaten dinner yet? Let me heat it up for you. And if she sees I've lost a little weight, she gets super worried, making me drink milk and eat all sorts of nutritious things. Sarah leaned back against the bench, looking at the sky. Sometimes we're so thoughtless, Mia. We just assume our parents do these things automatically, and sometimes we even snap back at them. Now that I think about it, I feel so bad. Everyone has moments like that, Sarah. Mia patted her friend's shoulder. The important thing is that we realize it now. We have to try our best in school and at work to make our parents proud, and also spend time taking care of them. Like the other day, I saw my mom picking water spinach under the dim light, and her hair had so much grey. I suddenly felt so much love for her. Sarah nodded vigorously. Me too. We're grown up now, and our parents are getting older. Time flies so fast. We have to cherish every moment we have with them. Even a simple hug or a kind word is enough to warm their hearts. Both fell silent for a moment, the only sounds being the rustling of the wind and the chirping of birds. In Sarah's and Mia's eyes, there was a glimmer of gratitude and boundless love for those who had always quietly sacrificed and protected them. Hey, let's chat casually for a bit. How about we play with some stickers? If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments which style of image you liked most in today's video.